Hi, I'm Claudia from Cake4Three. Today we are preparing a delicious chocolate and chili sponge. You will find, as always, doses and ingredients in the description. I start by preparing the dry ingredients: flour, a pinch of salt, yeast and sugar. You will also need milk, oil and boiling water. Finally, you will need chili chocolate powder. I will use this one from Lindt. If you like it, or if you can't find already flavored chocolate, you can add a 1/4 teaspoon of chili powder to the chocolate. Prepare 3 medium eggs, already divided into yolks and whites. Turn on the oven at 175 degrees Celsius in static mode. Line 2 15 cm diameter baking pans with butter and flour, and baking paper on the bottom. Sift the chocolate. As mentioned, if you like, add 1/4 teaspoons of chili powder. Add hot water. Then the milk. Then the oil, stirring constantly. Start beating the egg whites in a planetary mixer. Add the salt. When the egg whites begin to whip, add the granulated sugar. When everything is well mixed, add the egg yolks one at a time and leave to incorporate before adding the next one. Take the previously prepared chocolate with milk and oil and add yeast and the flour, sifting them. I do it twice. So, first half, I incorporate with the spatula, and then the second half. Now the whipped eggs must be incorporated into the chocolate. I do it twice, being careful not to dismantle them by mixing with a spatula from bottom to top. Divide the mixture into the 2 previously prepared baking pans, trying to divide the dough into 2 equal parts. Mix with a stick, making a spiral, to distribute the mixture and remove any bubbles. Bake for 30 to 35 minutes. Remove from the oven after carrying out the toothpick test. Leave to cool for 10 minutes on the tray and then remove the 2 sponges from the tray. Thank you all for watching this tutorial. Follow my next videos to see how to fill and decorate it.